Now let me show you how you can save images on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course we start by opening up the WhatsApp application like that. Make sure you are signed in with your account and everything, but there are two ways how you can approach this. The first one is the blanket solution, so to speak, where we set up the settings for every photo you receive from any chat, really. So you can tap on your profile in the bottom portion of the display like this, and just go in here through the settings menus until you find the chats right there. And we have one toggle which says save to photos, and you can enable it like this, which means that it will automatically save photos and videos you receive, right? So if you are chatting with someone, they send an image, it is automatically going to appear in the Photos app in your gallery, right? So that is actually very useful, depends on your goal and how you want to have it, but that's how you can set it up for literally every image, right? You can as well click on the person that you are chatting with, right, and also choose it specifically for some people, right? So as you can see, we have saved the photos set to be enabled for every chat, but if I tap on the person I'm chatting with, I can change it for that contact only, right? So I can decide that for everyone, the photos will be automatically saved, but for this particular contact, I choose it to be never. Right, so you can kind of like change it for individual people and contacts based on your preferences. So that is the first thing. And as well, if you have any image which you particularly want to save, like if you only want to apply it to one photo, you can just open it up within the chat and you should always have the ability to download it, right? So right now, if I click on the share in the bottom left corner, I can click on a save like this, and it is going to download it directly to the gallery. So again, this is what you would do if you only want to save a very specific photo, but if you want to apply it to the whole device and whole WhatsApp, then you go through the settings as I've shown you before. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know if it worked out well for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.